Hey guys, welcome to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make chatbot undetectable. So first let's generate any text using ChatGPT. So now let's copy this text and head on to our AI detector application and paste it over here. Now click on check. So here it has detected that our text was generated by AI. So now let's ask ChatGPT to bypass the AI detection. So now it has given us some text. Now let's copy this text and check it whether it has bypassed AI detection or not. So let's copy this and paste it again and check it. So as you can see, it has bypassed the AI detection. So that is how you can make chatbot undetectable. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.